Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco in a Wildtrak trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for some light towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And the Sasquatch package gives you some 35-inch all-terrain tires sitting on beadlock rims. You do also have front tow hooks here. And you have the Wildtrak side graphics on the vehicle, also in the new Eruption Green exterior color. Wider flares from the Sasquatch package as well. Moving around to the back, you have your swing out tailgate with the full-size spare on it. And inside you have pretty spacious room for cargo that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and underneath this cover you have your jack and some spare room outlet and your window controls. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, your off-road information and settings, navigation, phone, and radio or audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out among both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your SUV. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as your front and rear locking differentials, as well as trail turn assist, so if you're on a tighter road or trail, you can make a tighter turn. Traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have the mounting point for your accessory rail, so if you want to have like a GoPro or something up here, as well as having a USB and USB-C, so you can power said devices. Moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view again, including your forward-facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad, so you can keep throw your phone on there to charge. Then you've got one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash to hold on to when you're going over some bumpy terrain. Then you've got your main shifter for your 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and Baja, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have all of your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, but you still want to be able to control your mirrors. And then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And of course, this being a new full-size Bronco, the doors are removable, the roof is removable in sections, so you can really open it up in here. And you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.